Salam and welcome to Gem Wishes You. This is a YouTube channel that covers a variety of topics including daily routines, love for religion, inspiring stories, device reviews and family vibes. At Gem Wishes You, we believe that the little things in life are what make it truly special. That's why we love sharing our daily routines and the things that make us happy, whether it's spending time with our loved ones, practicing our faith or sharing our favorite gadgets with you. Our channel is all about positivity and inspiration. We hope to uplift and motivate you through our stories and experiences. We also love to share our thoughts on different devices and technology that can help make your life easier and more enjoyable. Lastly, family is at the heart of everything we do. We believe that family is the foundation of a happy and fulfilling life, and we love to share our family moments and experiences with you. So sit back, relax, and join us on this journey of love, positivity, and inspiration at Gem Wishes You.